welcome. Jilly Cube here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. This is what this is just a resin gecko. These are what we have that walk around here in Australia, and when you hear the clicking noise in my videos or a tutting, it's these geckos, and I just love them. So I've got loads of real ones and ornament type things, but love them, love that color as well. So I'm going to call it my lucky gecko. I'm pretty excited because my dear husband has modified one of the hair dryers for me. This is my little faithful dryer, this baby Liss that I've had for ages, and I got this from a charity shop, but I cannot find the exact same one anywhere. It's obviously a little travel dryer, and it's maybe even a kid's travel dryer. Baby Liss. Baby Liss. That's what it's called. So this has gone on and on and on, and it's still going on. It hasn't, failed me yet, but I have not been able to find a dryer that the handle goes backwards. But as somebody said, it's probably because the handle is actually broken. But I love it because you can put it in different positions, and I love this position for blowing. It's perfect for art, blowing your paint for Dutch pours or chaos blow. So I have this Vidal Sassoon dryer, and I'm going to, my husband's modified the handle so it goes backwards exactly like this one does, which is, for us painters, really is the right position, and we need really only on cool. We don't need one that blows hot. But for the minute, he said, just try the handle and see if that's right. This one doesn't pivot like this one. So if I could actually have one made that was like a ratchet, so it's got different handle positions, that would be perfect, because that's my perfect position for this little one. So my husband, he probably could have done one notch back, but this is the first time I'm trying it. Now this was the lip that it came with, the I'm not sure what you call these end bits, the attachment. I have got another one that I would like to try, because that's probably really good for blowing on a bigger canvas. And it does fit that. I'll just have to tape it on. But anyway, for today, I'm going to try to see if the handle is right on this. And if so, my husband can modify it if I need it to go a little bit further out. But I'm going to try it. But it's certainly much better to handle like this than it is the proper blow drying trying to do this. If you get what I mean, it's so much easier like this. So let's give the modified dryer or blower a run for its money. Now the colours I'm going to choose today are probably going to pop your socks off. I know lots of people are absolutely scared of yellow, and that's what I'm going to go with mostly today. It's actually bright yellow, and I just added white to it to tone it down. But I just thought I wanted something yellow, summery, uplifting. For those of you that may be suffering the consequences of hard winters, this is a reminder that you've got summer on the way, and as we're in the middle of a very hot summer in Australia, it reminds me of summer also. So I'm going to do a two-tone. I've sort of want it like this. This is my 60 by 90 canvas. I've put masking tape on the back so I don't get my bottom dirty, and the giant push pins. These are all below in the description in my Amazon store. Also the suppliers in the US, if you want Australian Floetrol, that's the link is below for Australian Floetrol with the US supplier. So there you go. You can get it in the US and it's not crazy expensive. So there you go. Right, let's get into this. I'm just busting to try that dryer, and I just hope that it does a good job. So I'm going to start off first of all with me yellow. Oh yes, yes, gorgeous. So I haven't done anything with so much yellow for a long time. So I'm just going to push that over the edges and just spread it out with this offset spatula. These are in my Amazon store too for Australia or the US. They're there. You can click on whatever country you're in to get the supplies from Amazon for whatever country you're in. Okie doke. So yeah, I think that's probably a little bit too much, but anyway, I can blow that off, can't I? Hoping that my blow dryer does a very good job. Rightio. I am really praying that this works really well, because I just was so scared of my other little one, you know, carking it, and I wouldn't have one that I really do feel comfortable with, and I really feel comfortable with that little baby Liz. So this is phthalo blue. So I'm gonna go phthalo blue. So what team colours are those, hey? I'm not sure. I think in Australia they're the Parramatta colours, but I'm not sure the overseas football teams. Not that I'm into the football teams at all, but I do like watching some of the American, I don't know what you call it, oh, I'm not sure. Wow. That's a bit in your face, isn't it? Wow. So don't be scared of the blues. Right. Oh, see, I haven't used this, so first time, wish me luck. First of all, I'm going to just blow a, let's try it. I'll just do it on slow. Okay, not even on. Why not? Here's my plug. Do you know why it's not on? Because I never plugged it in, you silly Jilly. Oh my goodness. I'd lose my head if it wasn't screwed on. Gosh, blimey. First of all, I'll blow the blues around off the edge. Just a matter of getting used to it, I guess. So that's blew it over my edge. Hang on, let me turn it off. Now let me just put a little bit more. I want to blow into that blue before I even add any other colour. Rightio. Oh, let's give this a go. Just on low. I just want to blow some of the yellow off it. So far, so good. Woohoo! Okay, let me give this a go. Oh. Wow. Okay. It seems easier to handle. I just probably could do with this going one notch back, like the same angle as my little one, but I'm not going to complain to my hubby, I daren't. Right, I'm going to leave that, and then I'm going to add some colours now to blow down into the blue. So this is just a, what was it called? It's just like a pearlescent white it is. So I'm going to put a bit of this. Yeah, it felt quite nice, so I can't really, haven't got anything to complain about. Now this is the metallic gold. And then I'm gonna go my colour. I'm gonna go some of my Berry Delicious, which is the dark red mixed with phthalo blue and a blob of black if you want it to go nice and dark, like a dark cherry look. Oh dear, what am I doing? And I might add a bit of the cool blue, and this has got silver, add metallic silver. So I think I just add like little bits of this around here. And I think I will turn it around. Because I'm going to blow upwards now. Yeah, not so... I wish that blue was... I probably should have had less paint on it. But anyway, on with we go. That actually is not bad at all, especially if I keep it on low like that. If I put that on high, it's so much harder to control. But not happy with those colours. I think, I don't know, I think I kind of stuffed up a bit there. I don't know, what do you guys think? I don't know, but I'm pretty happy with the blower. Just takes a little bit of getting used to, so I'm definitely going to stick with it because I think that is going to be great, and it's definitely going to be a good replacement for my little one. Of course, what I want to do in here now is, you don't have to do it, remember, my art, my rules. I want to soften this all up with my balloon. It kind of, it'll bear with me and wait till you see before you make judgment. Okay, that's got a hole in it to start with. I get disappointed when I pay for better balloons and they end up to be just terrible. Rightio, try this one. Okay, I only want it that big, so I will just make it that big. Rightio. Okay. So that worked pretty well, and I think I'm just going to do a black and white blowout to probably demonstrate a little bit better. Even having the control just where your finger is to press the on and off is good, but it'd probably be even better if it was this way on the top. So anybody know of a company that'll make me hairdryer? I suppose I'd have to go overseas. Oh, okay, bear with me. Let's see what I can do with this to soften these colours and make them gel a bit nicer together. Just bear with me. I always think, I don't know, matter what other people say to me about it always softens it. It always, to me, adds value to my piece when I use my balloon. You can use it any way you like. You don't have to kiss it like that. You can roll it. You can slide it. This is a bit of an odd shape, isn't it? It's like a big ostrich egg, but bringing a few more colours into that yellow, and I've definitely got too much paint sitting in here. So the balloon actually helps you mop up some of the colours as well as manipulate them to a different area. But I think that looks so much nicer now. Not doing too much extra with it, but I just wasn't completely happy with those colours. But look at that now. I just do my sides properly. You can wait till finish, but I just really love that. What do you guys think? There's actually hardly any cells in it or anything, which is really good, but loving it. Okay, wait on for the photos at the end and let me know what you think, but more than anything, let me know what you think of my husband's modification to my blower, and if you've got any constructive ideas, then I'll put them forward to the old fella. Okay, my lovelies, bye for now.